What is your name?
My name is Lily.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Are you a boy or a girl?
I'm a girl.
Are you a boy or a girl?
I'm a boy.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm happy.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have a sister?
No, I don't have a sister.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emma.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
What does your dad do?
He is a teacher.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Can you read?
Yes, I can read.
What color is your school bag?
It's red.
Do you like math?
Sometimes.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
What do you drink at breakfast?
I drink milk.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I do.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What animal do you like?
I like rabbits.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
What color is your room?
It's pink.
Do you have a big bed?
Yes, I do.
What's in your room?
My bed, toys, books.
Do you have a toy car?
Yes, I have a blue car.
Do you like cleaning your room?
Not really.
What's your favorite game?
I like hide and seek.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I love cartoons.
What's your favorite cartoon?
I like Peppa Pig.
What color are your shoes?
They are black.
Do you like wearing hats?
Yes, I do.
What do you wear in winter?
Coat, scarf, gloves.
Do you like dresses?
Yes, I like dresses.
What's your favorite t-shirt color?
Yellow.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Are you scared of spiders?
Yes, I am.
Are you sleepy?
Not now.
Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
How do you go to school?
By bus.
Do you like trains?
Yes, I do.
Have you been to the zoo?
Yes, I have.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
Where do you live?
I live in a big house.
Who is he?
He is a doctor.
What do you see?
I see a cat.
Where does it hurt?
On my knee.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Where is the cat?
The cat is under the table.